Handcuffs.
Where do you get those from?
Christmas.
From who?
From jail. For jail to lock people up.
Why are you trying to lock me up?
I ain't locking you up.
You ain't gonna lock me up. You just put the handcuffs.
Bad girl.
Look at my arm right there. You had put the handcuffs on me. Why you put them on me? Why you put them on me? I ain't say put them back on me. I said, why you put them on me before? You see my arm?
Yeah.
Why you put them on me before? Cause what?
You was doing bad.
What I do bad?
In the phone.
What I do bad on the phone? What I do bad on the phone?
Texting.
Huh?
Texting.
So I'm not texting and driving.
You can.
Okay, well, you can put.
Something bad.
Okay, we'll put the handcuffs on me. I'm gonna break out.
Huh?
I'm gonna break out.
You know how to get out. Plus, the thing is the wrong way. The thing is over here.
They too tight. They hurt.
How you break out then?
I don't know. Can you get them off me?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yay. Deputy Sheriff in the house. You like those handcuffs?
Huh?
You like those handcuffs?
Yes.
Why?
Because I lock people up.
Don't you get locked up, okay?
Because I love to lock people up.
Okay, don't you get locked up.
Huh?
Don't you get locked up.
I can get locked up because I know how to get out.
No, I'm saying when you get grown, don't get locked up.
I know I don't get locked up.
Stay out of trouble, son. Okay?
I ain't getting in trouble.
Stay away from the bad things,
I
son.
am. Go to the good things and don't go to the bad things.
Yes. Because it's so hard, so easy to get into trouble.
To do the bad thing.
No, it's
So
easy to do.
Good things.
Yes. So do good things, okay? Are you listening?
Huh?
Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay. So you gonna do good things?
Yep.
All right.